As the question says, a person 40 kg is managing to be at rest between two vertical walls by pressing one wall A by his hands and feet and the other wall B by his back. Assume that the friction coefficient between his body and the walls is 0.8 and that limiting friction acts at all the contacts. Show that person pushes the two walls with equal force, and B, find the normal force exerted by either wall on the person. So let us see that here, if we consider this wall to be first and this to be the second, then a normal reaction N1 is acting on the person from wall 1, while an N2 force, contact force, is acting to the right, normal reaction due to the second wall. So in the horizontal direction, N1 and N2 are actually acting on the person. So in order to balance this man in the horizontal direction, both of these forces must be zero, because mass into acceleration equals to N1 minus N2. For in it to be equilibrium, acceleration must be zero. So N1 is equals to N2. Hence the first part is done for the question. Let us proceed to the second part of this question, in which we know that mass of the person is 40, acceleration g is 10. So mu n1 plus mu n2 are balancing the weight of the person, that is 40g. Since n1 and n2 are equal, we can say 2 mu n equals to 40g, that is n equals to 200 over 0.8 equals to 250 Newton.